Now student, exercise 4.1.
Question number 2B part.
Exercise 4.1, question number 2. Second part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, student. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Student, what are consecutive integers? Consecutive means Divyanshu Singh. Divyanshu Singh. Divyanshu Singh, am I audible to you? Divyanshu Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
What are consecutive integers? What are consecutive integers? Yes?
Sequence like 5 and 6.
Very good. Such as 11, 12, 31, 32. Now student, let two consecutive integers are. Yes. Two consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. X and x plus 1. Student, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306 according to questions. According to questions. Now product of these two consecutive integers, that is x bracket x plus 1 is equal to 306. X into x square, x into 1, x minus 306 is equal to 0. Student, it is a quadratic equation or not?
Sir, it is a
Now students factorize it. Student, make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 306 and the subtraction will be plus 1. Plus 1.
18.
306. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 60, 3 5s are 50, and 3 1s are 3. 3 70.
Sir, 18 and 17.
18 and 17. 3
Yes, sir.
3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 and 17.
Yes, sir. 18 and 17 are the same.
X square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now student, what is common? First two terms, what is common in last two terms?
X is common.
X is common.
Minus 17.
X plus 18 minus 17 x plus 18 is equal to 0. X plus 18 bracket x minus 17 equal to 0. Now student, x plus 18 is equal to 0 and x minus 17 equal to 0. It becomes
And the two consecutive integers becomes 70
minus 18 and x is equal to 17. But student, these are consecutive positive integers. Positive integer, because x is a positive integers. Positive integers. That is given in the questions. So x is equal to -18 is rejected. -18 is rejected. इसको रिजेक्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? रिजेक्ट इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि s को हमने पॉजिटिव लेके आना है. Therefore first positive integer is 17. First positive integer is positive integer. That is x. How much? That is 17. And second positive integer is
18.
second positive integer is that is x plus 1, that is 17 plus 1, that is 18. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, do it fast. Students, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Let present age of Rohan be. What is? Let present age of Rohan be. Student, what will be?
X.
X years.
X plus.
X years. And Rohan's mother's present age will be. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. And Rohan's mother's present age be x plus 26 years. Friends, have you any doubt?
No, sir.
The product of their ages in years, same 3 years from now will be 360. Student, after 3 years, Akansha, am I audible to you?
No, sir.
Student, please tell me that after 3 years, what will be the age of Rohan? Yes?
X plus 3.
Student Akansha, please tell me that your present age is 14 years. Your present age is 14 years. After 3 years, what will be your age? You will multiply and add. And then why are you multiplying? Is clear? Is it clear?
No, sir.
After 3 years, the age of Rohan will be in future, that is x plus 3 years. After 3 years, the age of Rohan's mother will be PO saying, what will be what PO saying?
Yes, sir.
After 3 years, Rohan's mother age will be
X plus 29.
x plus
29.
29, 26. 26 plus 3. X plus 26 plus 3. X plus 3. X plus 26 plus 3. That is 29. Very good, students. Very good. X plus 26 plus 3. That is your x plus 29 years. Now student, after 3 years, product of their age according to question.
360.
After 3 years, according to questions, x plus 3, that is the age after 3 years, the age of Rohan, and after 3 years, Rohan's mother's age after 3, the x plus 29, and the product is equal to 306. Now student, multiply it x into x, that is x square, and x into 29, 29x plus 3x. 29 3s are 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6 or 2 8, 87. 306. Now student, it becomes x square plus 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87 minus 306 is equal to 0. Student, x square plus 32x minus yes students,
It's not 306, it's 360 double done here.
okay student, 360.
Yes.
Okay. Product is 360. That is 360. That is your 360. That is your 360. Now student, what will be the left? Plus 87 minus yes students, 10 minus 7 3, 273.
Yes. Yes, sir.
10 minus 7, that is 3, and 70 58, that is 273, that is 2. Now student, make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 273 and the subtraction will be 32.
39 and 7.
Student, repeat.
39 and 7.
39 or minus 7.
Yes, sir.
X square plus 39 x minus 7x minus 273 equal to 0. Now student, what is common? That is x plus 39 minus 7 common, x plus
how many are absent? Class 37. टोटल कितने हैं हमारे पास? 69. 59.
सर आई थिंक उससे भी कम होगी नहीं मैंने बोला 59 पास
x plus 39, that is equal to 0. Now student, x plus 39 and x minus 7 equal to 0. Now student, what will be the x? What will be x? Here x is
So, constant.
minus 9.
One will be positive 7 and one will be negative 39.
Student, what will be x? x क्या है हमारे पास?
So, 7 होना चाहिए. X का नॉट नेगेटिव.
स्टूडेंट, x हमारे पास है क्या? हमने x को कंसीडर कर रखा है. What is x?
Rohan's age.
Rohan age.
Rohan age.
Okay, student, listen to me. क्या age एज कभी नेगेटिव हो सकती है? एज किसी भी बच्चे की एज जो है अगर उसने क्या है बर्थ लिया है तो वो तो या तो क्या है 1 माइक्रोसेकंड का होगा, 1 सेकंड का होगा, उसकी एज कुछ ना कुछ तो उसकी एज होगी, नेगेटिव में जाएगी। तो यहाँ पे लिखो द एज कैन नेवर बी नेगेटिव, द एज
Sir, you not clear at all.
the age can never be negative, never be
Sir,
negative.
you not clear at all.
Students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes, प्रगति, yes प्रगति, प्रगति, क्या किसी पर्सन की एज नेगेटिव हो सकती है?
No, sir, because as we have taken the word, it can be a microsecond, but the age can never be negative.
Negative, can never be negative. Okay students, the age can never be negative. So x is equal to minus 39 is rejected. Is rejected. Have you done students? X is equal to minus 39 is rejected. Have you done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now students, Rohan's present age will be, therefore Rohan's present age will be, Rohan's present age be 7 years.
Mother's age would be x plus 26, which is 7 plus 26 years.
How much?
33
How many years? 33 years. And Rohan's
2 years.
Rohan's mother present age B. That is x plus 26 years. That is 7 plus 26. It means 33 years. Then do it fast. Do it fast. Now students, exercise 4.1 question number 2. Question number 2, fourth part.
Fourth part.
Students, it is most important question of this chapter. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. At a uniform speed. Mohammad Afzal,
Yes, sir.
what is uniform speed?
Sir, the speed which is maintained,
This is maintain
it
means
does not decrease, it's in a uniform motion.
decrease. What is
It does
uniform
not
speed?
decrease, it maintains the speed.
Student, if equal distance covers in equal interval of time, if equal distance covers in equal interval of time, that is called uniform speed. Equal distance covers in equal interval of time. It means if you are going to Chandigarh and in 1 hour, first 1 hour you have to cover 50 kilometers, and in next hour you have to cover 50 kilometers, in next third hour you have to cover 50 kilometers, in next fourth hour you have to cover 50 kilometers. That is called uniform speed. Any doubt? Okay students. Now students,
No, sir.
a train travels distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. अगर स्टूडेंट आपकी ट्रेन की स्पीड को कम करेंगे तो टाइम क्या है, इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. अगर हम स्पीड को इंक्रीज करेंगे, अगर हम स्पीड को कम करेंगे तो टाइम इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. अगर स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे तो टाइम को हमें डिक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? Then the let original speed of the train be. Let original speed of the train be. Original speed. Speed of the train be. Of the train be. X kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Tanmay Dwivedi, am I audible to you? 60 km per hour means, what is the meaning of 60 km per hour? What is the meaning of 60 km per hour? अगर मैंने लिख दिया कि 60 km per hour है, इसका मीनिंग क्या है, क्या समझते हो इससे आप? अविनाश कुमार,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of 60 km per hour?
It means that the train is traveling 60 kilometers in per hour.
Very good student, very good. 60 km per hour means we are cover a distance of 60 km in 1 hour. 1 hour. It means we are traveling a distance of 60 km in a 60 minutes. 60 minutes. In 1 minute we are traveling a distance of 1 km. Okay, students?
Sir, I want to ask something.
Yes. Pragati Singh, ask me.
Sir, my doubt is the SI unit of speed is meter per second.
Yes.
Sir, so why in we are not converting the SI units? Like here, it's written 480 kilometer and in 3 hours. So why we are not converting in meter per second?
Sir, may I clear?
Yes.
So the thing is that as the SI unit is same in both of them, that is why we have not converted it.
Students, in mathematics we will take the speed in kilometer per hour. But in physics, standard unit of speed is meter per second. SI unit. That is speed is meter per second. Meter per second. Then we will convert kilometer per hour in meter per second. We will multiply kilometer per hour. That is 18 kilometer multiplied 5 by 80. 5 by 80 and convert it into meter per second. Now students, come to the point. Student, let original speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. If the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, after decrease, the speed of the train will be x minus 8 kilometer per hour. X minus 8 kilometer per hour. Now student, total distance covered. That is 480
Or
kilometers.
80 kilometers.
Students, if speed is decreased by 8 km per hour, then time will increase by 3 hours. Now student, according to questions,
कितने दिन आप शादी अटेंड करेंगे?
according to question,
आप तुम गाँव में ही रहो, आधी दिन जाओ तो आपको गाँव में रहो,
according to questions.
क्लास मत आना, मैं तुम्हारा लिंक ड्रॉप ऑफ कर दूँगी, ठीक है? हाँ? कितने दिनों से कह रहे हो आप ये? मेरे ख्याल से 40-50 दिन हो गया ये। हाँ।
Now student, according to question,
मैं आज के बाद अलाउ नहीं करूँगी, मैं तुम्हारी आईडी डिसेबल करूँगी और लिंक ड्रॉप ऑफ कर दूँगी।
your distance is 480, speed is x. Your distance is 480, your speed is x minus a.
X minus 2.
Now student, listen to me. 480 divided by x. I am obtaining
We will
the.
add 3.
Listen student, listen to me. Listen to me. Student, 480 is your distance, x is your speed. It means distance is divided by speed. It means this is your time. 480 divided by x, it is your time. ये आपका टाइम है जो क्या है, your train is cover 480 km by speed x hour, x kilometer per hour. And your next is, yeah, that is also the time. 480 km is covered by train speed x minus 8 km per hour. स्टूडेंट, ये आपके पास टाइम आ रहा है, ये भी आपके पास टाइम आ रहा है, लेकिन अब मेरे को ये बताइए, सीडी प्रधान,
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स, out of x and x minus 8 km per hour, who is greater? X is greater, x minus 8 is greater.
The X is greater.
X is greater. Is clear? Is it clear, students? X is greater. Now students, अगर हमारे पास क्या है, 480 किलोमीटर को अगर हम अधिक स्पीड से हमारी ट्रेन जा रही है, 480 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस हमें कवर करनी है, और द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन इज ग्रेटर, दैट टाइम कम लगेगा या अधिक लगेगा?
कम लगेगा।
टाइम क्या लगेगा? कम लगेगा। टाइम विल बी रिड्यूस। इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? अब मेरे को बताइए, अब यहाँ पे 480 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है, उसको हम x किलोमीटर पर आवर से कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे टाइम क्या लग रहा है? कम लग रहा है। और यहाँ पे क्या है, 480 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे इसकी स्पीड कितनी है? x माइनस 8। अगर यहाँ पे स्पीड कम है तो उसको टाइम क्या लग रहा है? ज़्यादा, इंक्रीज। टाइम विल बी इंक्रीज इन दिस केस एंड टाइम विल बी रिड्यूस इन दिस केस। जिस केस में टाइम रिड्यूस होगा उसमें हमने क्या करना है? ऐड करना है। कितना? 3 आवर्स प्लस 3। दैट इज योर फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट। नाउ स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज, अगर आपने इतना सोचना नहीं है, आपने क्या करना है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया सबको? किसी को डाउट इसमें? आदित्य सिंह, मैंने क्या है, मैंने यहाँ पे 480 बाई x प्लस 3, मैंने इस साइड में प्लस 3 किया। यहाँ पे मैंने इस साइड में प्लस 3 क्यों नहीं किया? यहाँ पे ऐड क्यों नहीं किया प्लस 3? मैंने प्लस 3 इसमें इस साइड में क्यों ऐड किया? गिव मी रेस्पॉन्स immediately. Respond me immediately. 480 by x plus 3 किया is equal to 480 by x minus 8। मैंने 480 by x minus 8 plus 3 क्यों नहीं किया? वहां पे मैंने प्लस क्यों नहीं किया? इस साइड में प्लस क्यों किया? यूटिलाइज इट, क्योंकि वहां पे क्या है 480 बाई x है, वहां पे क्या है टाइम रिड्यूस है, क्योंकि उस केस में स्पीड क्या है ट्रेन की अधिक है, स्पीड इज इंक्रीज इन दैट केस, इन द अदर केस स्पीड इज डिक्रीज, इफ स्पीड इज डिक्रीज टाइम विल आल्सो इंक्रीज, वहां पे टाइम ऑलरेडी अधिक है, अगर मैं 3 वहां पे ऐड कर रहा हूं इक्वल कैसे होगा, वहां पे टाइम ऑलरेडी इंक्रीज है प्लस 3 और कर रहा हूं तो टाइम और इंक्रीज हो रहा है, इक्वल तो होगा ही। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Student, is it clear? Now, student, now simple concept. Simple concept is this. Here is x. Here is x minus 8. X minus 8. X और x minus 8 में से बड़ा कौन सा है? Which is greater? Which is greater in x and x minus 8? अन्नू कुमारी. X. x और x माइनस, जहां जिस केस में स्पीड अधिक होगी उस केस में ऐड करो, बस सिंपल सा फंडा है। जिस केस के अंदर आपकी स्पीड अधिक है उसके अंदर ऐड करो, वहां पे टाइम कम लगना ही लगेगा। एनी डाउट? समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया सभी को? जिस केस में स्पीड अधिक है उस केस के अंदर क्या है +3 +2 जो भी होगा उसके अंदर वहां पे क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है ना, उसको करना है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लिसन टू मी, एक्सरसाइज 4.3, एक्सरसाइज 4.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 और 10, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 और 10 I am discussing you question number 8 or 10, exercise 4.3 also. You have to complete this question in homework. Now students, what is, yes student, now 480 minus x minus 480 by x minus 8 is equal to -3. Now student, what is common? What is common? 480 is common. That is 1 by x minus 1 upon x minus 8. That is -3. Now students, LCM is 1 by x minus 1 upon x minus 8. X minus 8, that is -3 divided by 480,
1/160.
160 minus. Now student, we take the LCM. LCM is x into x minus 8. Now student, it becomes x minus 8 minus x,
Yes.
and that is -1 160. X to x cancel out. Now student, your equation will becomes, what will become equation? X square minus 8x is equal to,
-1280.
student, -1 is here, minus minus cancel out. Students, here is -8 divided by -1 by 160, -1 by minus plus. Now student, cross multiply it. It becomes x square minus 8x. 16 8s are 128.
128, sir.
Now student, it becomes x square minus 8x minus 1280. Make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 1280.
-40 plus 13.
Yes student. x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280. Student, it will x is common, x minus 40 plus 32 bracket x minus 40 equal to 0. So students, your x will be 40 and minus 32. Student, please tell me that Asmit Maurya, speed can be negative. Speed can be negative. Speed negative हो सकती है.
No, sir.
If the speed of train will be negative, the train will not move. If the speed of train will be negative, the speed will not move. So the concept is speed can never be negative. Speed can never be negative. So x is equal to minus 32 is rejected. Is rejected. Therefore, the original speed of the train will be
40 kilometer per hour.
40 kilometer per hour. 40 means no sense. 40 means no sense. 40 sons, 40 daughter, 40 boys, 40 girls, 40. What is 40? 40 kilometer per hour.
Unit.
40 kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the original speed of the train be 40 kilometer per hour. Student, done?
Yes.
Have you any doubt, any problems? Have you any doubt, any problems? Yes. क्लास कैसी लग रही है? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? रिंकी, who is speaking there? Yes, Kashish. Yes, बोलिए.
Let's